Hello everyone, good afternoon. This is a 3 BHK apartment situated in Taliganj, and this is a premium project with have every facilities and amenities. And you can see this is the actual model flat of this premium apartment. The size of this model apartment is 900 square feet in built up. So we are mentioning only built up as per the RERA rules. So now come inside. This is the living cum dining area, and along with this living cum dining area you will be having the terrace access. So this side will be the door of the terrace, and the unique part of this living cum dining is you can serve your foods from the kitchen through this window to the dining hall. So this is another access to the terrace. And now come inside the lobby space. So we are entering into the lobby, and this side will be the kitchen space. It's a marvelous kitchen with double platform on both the side, and the trolley space and the chimney hub, and this side will be the window, and this side will be your service balcony space like this one. And see the stainless silk and the double countertops. So now we are going outside to the lobby space again. So on the lobby space we are having 3 bedrooms. This is bedroom number 1. This is the common washroom. This is bedroom number 2, and this is bedroom number 3, master bedroom. So we are entering into the first bedroom. So this is the first bedroom. So see the size of this first bedroom. The size of this first bedroom is approximately 13 feet by 12 feet, almost a square shaped. And with this bedroom you will be having a wardrobe like this one. The size of this wardrobe is 5 feet by 2.5. And now come this side. This is the common toilet space with separate shower space, wall mount commode, and the basin area like this one. And beside that you will be having your second bedroom space. So see the second bedroom space from here. So this bedroom is also having a size of 12 feet by 13 feet, almost a square shaped bedroom, and it's a luxurious bedroom space. And this side will be having window, wardrobe space, same size, and this side will be the door to access the personal terrace or the private terrace area. And you can see the beauty of this bedroom from here, this side, with king size bed and smartly designed and decorated. This is to give you a glimpse how you can decorate your apartment, as because this is a model flat, we are giving you a glimpse how you can decorate your apartment. And now come this side. So we are entering into the master bedroom. So this is the master bedroom space, around 14 feet by 13 feet, and a big size wardrobe again. And this side access towards the open terrace, and this is the TV unit space. And from here you can imagine the size and beauty of this master bedroom. So now come this side. This is the attached toilet along with this master bedroom, western commode, and the separate shower space, and this side will be the basin space. So hope you like this video. So thanks a lot for watching. So if you are interested about this premium apartment, then call us as early as possible, because we are left with only 3 options right now, because it's going to hand over these towers very soon. So thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day. Please share and subscribe our channel for further updates.